Choosing the right MCB for home. Welcome to this presentation on choosing the right MCB for home. Today, we will explore how miniature circuit breakers, or MCBs, play a crucial role in protecting your home's electrical system and guide you in selecting the right one for various household applications. What is an MCB? An MCB, or miniature circuit breaker, is an automatic electrical switch designed to protect electrical circuits from damage caused by overloads or short circuits. It works by automatically tripping and disconnecting power when abnormal electrical conditions occur, ensuring both the safety of the electrical system and the people using it. Importance of MCB in home. MCBs are essential for home safety. They protect against dangerous situations such as overload currents, short circuits, and potential electrical fires. By interrupting fault currents in a timely manner, they safeguard your electrical appliances and help prevent accidents in your home. Types of MCBs. There are mainly three types of MCBs based on their tripping characteristics. Type B MCBs are ideal for residential applications with low inductive loads like lighting and socket outlets. Type C MCBs are used in commercial settings or for small industrial applications where moderate inductive loads, such as motors, are present. Type D MCBs are designed for heavy inductive loads, such as large motors and industrial machinery. Each type has a different tripping curve to suit its application. Choosing the right MCB. When selecting an MCB, consider several factors: the type of electrical load, whether resistive or inductive, the current rating of the circuit, typically ranging from 6A to 32A, the number of poles, which determines how many circuits are controlled by the MCB. For most general home applications, Type B MCBs are sufficient. However, if the circuit powers motors or other inductive loads, Type C MCBs are more appropriate. Example application. Here are some common household examples. For lighting circuits, a Type B MCB with a 6A to 10A rating works best. A refrigerator typically requires a Type C MCB rated between 16A and 20A. An air conditioner, being a higher inductive load, should use a Type C MCB rated between 20A and 32A. Installation tips. To ensure optimal MCB performance, always follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Practice correct wiring methods. Label each MCB clearly so that identification is easy. Periodically inspect the MCB for signs of wear or damage and replace if necessary. Conclusion. Choosing the right MCB is vital for protecting your home from electrical hazards. For most residential needs, a Type B MCB is suitable. Only use Type C or D when dealing with motors or industrial-style equipment. When in doubt, always consult a qualified electrician to ensure safety and compliance with standards. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. For further questions, don't hesitate to consult a licensed electrician. Stay safe and make informed choices when managing your home's electrical system.